Hi there, I'm Esti from Stuto. Your team will be adding activities against contact records, companies, deals, leads, and so forth. This could include notes, tasks, calls, meetings, or even emails. Now, when your team has got permissions to actually delete activity records that are added to any of your contact company or deal records, it could happen that they mistakenly delete an activity record that they shouldn't have deleted. In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can restore deleted activity records and how to save someone if they have accidentally deleted an activity. On a particular record, you'll be able to see the list of activities. Now on my screen we can see my record within the Stuto demo portal, and up at the top you'll see a task that has been created to give this contact a call for feedback. Now if one of your team accidentally deletes any particular activity record, whether that be a task, a note, a call, a meeting, or an email, you're able to restore it. What you would do is you would click on Actions in the left top side of the contact record or company deal record, and here you'll get the option to restore activity. So what we will do is we'll click on that link, and that will take us to a recycling bin for activities specifically. Now this is going to show you all deleted activity records, not just activities for this particular contact. So if you accidentally deleted tasks in bulk or calls in bulk, you can also come here to restore it. Up at the top here, we'll see the task that I just deleted. What we would do is we can either delete it completely, or if we were to select the particular task or set of tasks, then we can hit restore. We'll confirm that we want to restore this particular activity, and then we can navigate back to the particular contact record, and we'll be able to see that task back on the record.